Hi everyone, if you're doing MRCOG or if you've already passed MRCOG and you're thinking, can I settle in UK or is MRCOG enough to move there? How do I get permanent residency? This video is for you. So many students believe I passed MRCOG, now I can directly go to UK. That's not how it works. To work as a doctor in UK, you must be registered with the General Medical Council GMC. This is the official body that allow doctors to practice in UK. So MRCOG improves your CV, but it does not automatically give you a job, a visa, or a permanent residency. So let's understand the real pathway. First step is getting GMC registration. Now there are different routes for it. For example, if you're a junior doctor, you can apply through BLAC. Then there's a postgraduate route if you've done MRCOG. There's a specialist or portfolio route for experienced senior doctors to prove their knowledge and experience are equivalent to UK CCT. So you must check which route applies to you. Without GMC registration, you are not allowed to work legally as a doctor in UK. So after GMC registration, the second step is getting a job offer. Here comes the immigration part. To move to UK, you need a confirmed job offer from a hospital that has a sponsor license. Most international doctors, they work in NHS hospitals, trust grade post, specialty doctor roles or training post. Without a job offer, you cannot apply for a work visa. Let's take an example. You completed your OBGYN training in India, then you passed MRCOG all parts. Here's what you will need to do. First step is applying for GMC registration. Number 2, clear the required documents. Step number 3 is applying for NHS job. Number 4 is get selected in the interview. And then the last step is hospital will give you certificate of sponsorship. Only after that you can apply for visa. That's the correct order. Now to apply for a work visa, most doctors they apply under health and care worker visa or skilled worker visa. The health and care worker visa is better for doctors because of lower fees, faster processing and no health surcharge. Once you get the job, the hospital gives you something called a certificate of sponsorship. You use that to apply online through the UK government website. Now what all you need for the visa? Job offer, certificate of sponsorship, English proof in the form of IELTS or OET, required salary level, passport and documents. Once approved, you get your visa and you move to UK. Now what happens after you arrive? You open a bank account, get your national insurance number, get registered with a GP, start working in NHS, and this is important. 5-year clock for permanent residency starts. Now the big question is, how do you settle permanently? You apply for something called as Indefinite Leave to Remain, ILR. If you are on a skilled worker or health and care worker visa, you can apply after 5 years of continuous stay in UK. But you must not leave UK for a long time, maintain your job, meet the salary requirements, and have no major immigration violations. After ILR, you are a permanent resident. So after you complete 5 years working in NHS, you can apply for ILR. Now after getting ILR, you have to wait for 1 more year to apply for British citizenship if you're eligible. That means you can have British passport, full rights and no more visa renewals. But ILR itself already gives you permanent stay. UK government has recently increased English requirements, increased salary thresholds in some categories and tightened some immigration rules. This means that you always check the official UK government site before you apply for a visa because rules can change yearly. Here's your full pathway. Pass MRCOG, get GMC registration from General Medical Council, then apply for the NHS job, get certificate of sponsorship, apply for health and care worker visa, work for 5 continuous years, apply for residency and then for citizenship, that's optional. Now this is the realistic pathway. If this video helped you understand the UK settlement pathway clearly, like this video, comment your situation, I'll try to guide you. And remember, MRCOG is a powerful qualification, but smart immigration planning is what helps you settle successfully. Thank you.